See, when you go to yourself and your music, it comes out like this. Freestyle. Ha. Like I said, it ain't too many R&B stars out there. None that I heard of. Just putting it in like I'm putting it in. Whole songs. 9, 10, 12 in a row. Non-stop. Huh? Thank you, God. Ulubulai Midi Channel Regime. All the supporters. All the haters. You know what I mean? Anyway. To all my people that's not here with me right now in the physical form, I know that you got me. I wouldn't have lasted this long if you wasn't by my side and on my mind and opening my heart. Yeah, yeah. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I can be deep in the ground or in prison for the rest of my life. I choose over here. I just want my appeal. I'm about to get my money. It's gonna be funny. I know that you want me. I know that you're plotting, but nothing's gonna change. I'll always be red brain. Yeah, if you think that money's gonna change me, I always had money. I was never down like this, but God gave me another chance to get to my dreams and support those that supported me. And all of my family, my children, my grandchildren, yeah. My aunties and uncles, my brothers, sisters, all of my cousins to the end, and all of my friends, yeah. And so-called enemies, Leona, rest in peace. Ronell, just rest in peace. Chappie, Iceman, yeah, bruh, Auntie Annie Mae. Oh, it's a damn shame. Now she will, ooh, we miss you and all of y'all. Just a few names to name a few. Doriel, hey, listen to me. I know that you got me, little cousin. I'm gonna stay focused. The beat came right back in, so I came right back in. Rest in peace, artillery, all the blood, I miss you. My brother Bootleg, I miss you. And all of mine that's leaving here in 4s and 5s. It's so damn spooky in the streets of Syracuse, New York. Yeah, yeah. Shout out to my cousin EB, 100, yeah. Ooh, congratulations to you. Now let them see what 315 is about. You know how we putting it down, yeah. I'm ready to be gangster. Hey, I'm ready to be gangster, oh yeah. You niggas ain't fucking with me. You bitches can stop chasing me. I'm doing my thing with my woman. She's beautiful head to toe. They say if a woman take care of me, then she take care of her body. She's such a hottie. I'm thinking about calling her Lady Rain. Lady Rain, red rain, let it rain. Yeah. I'm that power, I am that power. Follow me, share my goddamn music. Yeah. I don't care what you do, shoot it down if you got to. For every one motherfucker that hates you, there's 4 other motherfuckers that love you. Motherfuckers. Now, man, we gonna talk a big ass shit today. Love you, guy.